Boozhoo, Nimenwendo Momapia. This is week 4 of second step. This week we're going to be talking about self-talk. Now, self-talk, I know what some of you are going to say. Older people do that. Well, here's a little disclaimer. Miss J's older, and I do that. Like when I'm driving home from school, I'll say, "Gotta pick up eggs." I'll say it out loud. It just happens, okay? But with your child, to teach them that eventually they're going to internalize it, but using a quiet self-talk will help them stay focused. For instance, if you say, "Johnny, go pick up your room before supper," 5 minutes later you go back, it's not picked up. "Johnny, remember I told you to pick up your room before supper," go back, it's not picked up. But if you tell Johnny, "Johnny, say it with me, say, I have to pick up my room before supper," he'll internalize it, he or she'll internalize it, and then they'll just learn to do that. That's a little quiet voice that helps them to stay focused. And there's games you can play at home, and we'll be sending this home, this parent letter, and you'll be able to, there's little games at the top that you can do to help your child, and then the card of the week that the teachers will be doing, and then little questions you can ask about the picture and about what they learned on self-talk and what that means. So I hope this is all helping. We're going to keep doing it each week until there's like 28 weeks. So if you have any questions, please give me a call at the center, and hopefully I'll be able to answer them. All right, have a great rest of your week. Giga Wabaman, Mig Witch, Bizendowie Egg.